Okay, so you want to do it in 2 operations with different tools. That's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to 3-axis horizontal roughing. And do you want to go ahead and cut these slots with the 3/4 inch tube?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that distance is. We can check it.
Should be 1 1/4.
Okay.
Oh,
It says 2.
Width's 2 inches.
Is that correct? 2 inches?
Yeah, 2 inches, and the
Okay.
depth is 1 1/4.
Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to select anything for the horizontal roughing. It'll figure out what needs to be cut based on the size of the tool and the size of the stock. I will control the depth though. So I'm going to go ahead and create a 3/4 inch end mill. Okay, this is
stay away from the radius so we can get that radius in there as well.
Yep, this drawing come in millimeters, so I'm going to change this unit setting. Inches. Okay. Okay, so we're in inches. Let's double check the stock dimensions. Okay, correct. Okay, so I'm going to go back into 3-axis horizontal roughing with a tool. I'm going to create a flat end mill, 7.5 diameter.
Yep.
And do you want to be specific about the flute length, or does it matter, or what?
Well, the flute length's 1.5 inches on that cutter.
Okay. And the total tool length?
That can be whatever, I guess.
Okay, I'll just leave it at 4, and I'll make the shoulder 1.5 just to be. Okay. So I'm gonna call this 3/4 flat end mill. Say that as a new tool. While I'm in the tool dialog, do you want to get another tool? You said to get this all the way down.
Yeah, that's going to be also it's going to have a 4-inch flute length.
So the exact same as this, only have a longer flute length.
Okay. 4. And then that would be, I guess, 6. Doesn't have to be 6. We'll go 5.
And that end mill will finish the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
The other end mill will finish the top of the ramps.
Okay. So I'm just going to leave it at 5. It's probably going to be longer than that with a flute length of 4, or I could just make it 6. So this is a 3/4 inch flat end mill. I'm going to call 6. We'll call that 4-inch flute length. Save as new tool. I'm going to call this one 1.5 inch flute length. Save that is. Okay. And what size, while we're in here, what size, you're going to use a 1/2 inch or 1 inch diameter ball, or what?
A 3/4 inch ball.
3/4 inch?
4-inch flute.
Okay. How much flute length?
4-inch.
Did you say 1/4 inch?
4 inch.
Oh, 4. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Make that 6. Make this 4. Ball.
We'll use that one to finish the walls.
Yep. Okay.
As well as him stitch up that angle in the radiuses.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to say that. Okay. So we got some tools here. So we're going to use this one first.
We have some more we can add in there too.
Okay, we can go ahead and do it now if you want.
We also have a 3/8 inch ball mill.
3/8.
No, that's going to be a radius. That's a 7/4 diameter. 3/4 diameter.
Oh, okay. Now I guess so that's all we need. I guess that's all.
Drill.
That's all we have except for the drill.
Okay, do you want to do the drill now while we're here? Let's
Sure.
exit out of that for a second. Let me save that. Let me go do it this way with the drill.
Yeah, she's going to be a 3/16 drill. You can't edit those.
3/16. That's 188, right?
Pardon me?
I'm just talking to myself. 1875. Tool diameter. Okay. And what's the flute length on that drill going to be?
Oh, it's just like a 2-inch drill.
Okay.
And it's going to go through the part.
Okay. Save that as a new tool. Okay, so let's go back into the roughing, and we're going to use this first tool here. I'm going to leave, by default, it leaves 25 thousandths of stock. Is that okay for the roughing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's good.
Okay. Let's see all that. So we know that we want, you only want to go down, how deep? To the base of this right here?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
just
all
to the
that
top?
depth of the skin to the top of those ramps and that pocket right there.
Okay, so let's see what that is. We'll just check that depth. We'll go from here. Go from here. Oh, sorry. It's asking me to pick a point then. I guess to right to here then. Yeah, it's the same level all the way across. Okay, so we know we're only going to go that deep. It defaults to a 50% step down. So the tool is 3/4, so it's a 3/8 inch step down. Should that be changed?
No, that should be good.
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay. Okay, all that, everything looks good there. I think all that looks good. Let's just generate that.
1 inches. 1.25 inches.
How far down does it go?
Currently, it's going down to this level right here.
Right, but how many step downs is it taking to do that?
Okay, let's find out. 11.
5. Oh, that's too much.
Well, it's 11 because it's counting each pocket here as a separate. You know what I mean?
It's actually down in there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going all the way to.
But how much per step down is it doing?
50%, so it's 3/8. It's going, this is the bottom level right here. It's stopping at this level right here, this level here. So it's coming down 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. Is that all right?
Can we change that to 3 levels?
Mm-hmm.
Well, why is it doing that bottom, the other individual pockets separate?
Which?
Because it should be. This is the first roughing where we're not going down deep, right?
Right. So what are you asking me?
Why is it doing that little pocket like that? Why doesn't it just do the whole inside piece?
You mean like down to the first down level, down to here?
Yeah.
It is actually. It's doing this whole first level, and then the second level, then the third level.
We're going to change to the second level, right?
Are we changing tools in there somewhere? Oh, keep going. Keep going down the levels.
So that's the last one.
Okay. Is that where we switch to the other tool, the longer?
Yeah. This is the depth. We stop in there, and then we're using another tool to go the rest of the way down.
Oh, okay. All right, we're good.
These other ones are the separate. You know, that level, that level, that level. It's all the same level. It's just doing them last, I guess. You know, it's working its way. Since it's interrupted here, you know, at this flat area, it's breaking that up into sections, the last level. Is that okay, the 4 levels, or do you want it 3? Still want it 3?
No, 4 is probably good because that tool's gonna be hanging out there a ways.
Okay, let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, that was real quick. Turn the part off. Why is it off?